How to fix Lemon8 app not working. So first of all, you have to check in whether the network is working properly or not. It must be stable enough. Once you have the strong connection, the next thing you want to do is you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Lemon8. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be the reason that you are facing the issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you have got the latest version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of your device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Lemon8. Once you find it, move into it. Tap on offload app and once again click on offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Lemon8 app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.